the entity relationship data model, so or ER data model. So it was developed by the Peter Chen in the year of 1976. So ER data model is a graphical representation of the entities and their relationship. So ER data model uh, allows to specify the logical structure of enterprise schema, enterprise database. So that is ER data model represents the overall structure of a entire database of the enterprise. So ER diagram contains these three symbols basically. So entity set. So entity set can be represented by using rectangular box, and attribute is nothing but properties of entity set are represented by using a ellipse symbol each attribute, and a relationship between the entity sets are represented by using a diamond symbol. So next, disadvantages. Advantages. So first one is conceptual simplicity. So conceptual simplicity means so the structure of a database can be illustrated with the help of the diagrams. So the database designers can easily understand the structure of a database and the relationship between the data elements. So and ER diagram can be used as a communication tool, so between the database designers and the database developers. So that is ER diagram visually represent the overall structure of a database, and these diagrams can be used as a communication tool between the database designers and developers. So next one, disadvantages. So disadvantages, first one is limited in constraints representation. So we cannot efficiently represent the integrity constraints by using the ER data model. So next, there is no language so that can be used to perform the various types of operations on a data, like example DML. So loss of information can be occurred when the attributes are removed from the ER diagram. Okay, this is an example for entity relationship model. So once again I am repeating. So entity relationship model was developed by the Peter Chen in the year of 1976. So it is a graphical representation of the entities and their relationship. So that is entity relationship data model represents the logical structure of the entire database of enterprise. So ER diagram contains basically three components. First one is entity set. It can be represented by rectangular box. Attribute means properties of entity set are represented by using each attribute represented by using ellipse symbol. Relationship means the relationship between the entity sets are represented by diamond symbol. So disadvantages are, so first one, conceptual simplicity. So entities and their relationships are diagrammatically represented by using ER diagram, so it is easy to understand. So communication tool means so visual representation represents the communication tool, so between the database designers and the administrators, developers also. So next one, disadvantages. So limited constraints. So complete constraints cannot be represented by using ER data model. So there is no DML for performing various types of manipulation operation on your data within a relational data model. So loss of information can be occurred when the attributes are deleted from the ER data model. So observe this diagram. So this diagram illustrates that the ER data model. So here I drawn three diagrams. So one is painter paints many paintings, but each painting is painted by one painter. So this is Chen notation. This side diagrams are cross foot notations. So these are all the example for ER diagrams. So in next video we will go to discuss about the object oriented data model and extended relational data model. Okay, thank you.